Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this 3-in-1 vacuum sealer. This thing is tiny, so it would be great for storage, and you can use it for so many different things. It's all just a one-touch operation, whether you're using it on a regular mouth lid, wide mouth lid, which they give you 10 of each of these, and bags. It's so versatile. Also comes with a little popper, so you can actually pop off the lids of your jars. So that is really nice that includes that, and a little sealer for your bags. So when you use this thing, it's really great to use because you are actually just sealing up your stuff and keeping it fresher for longer. So I've got some strawberries. All we've got to do is just simply put the lid on, stick this over top of it, and then we just press the power button. You've got this nice screen right there that just count down to tell you how long it's need to go. It is automatic, and it will then seal it in here, get all the air out, and it just takes a matter of a few seconds to get it done. So let's let this thing suck out all the air out of here, and then we will give it the test. Now you can notice this is really quiet as far as the operation of it all, and it does have a little handle here as well. All right, so it also shows your percentage on there. And then whenever you're done, we just simply take this off. This is now sealed on there. That just sealed it right on. And this will keep my fruit, vegetables, anything like that better for longer. You can also use it to seal up bags if you're wanting to do that. And it comes with little stickers that you can then stick on there to tell you when it's been done and what's in your jar. This is an all-in-one set that would be great for any kitchen.